Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll show you how to remove or replace rear door panel on Chevy Equinox or Pontiac Torrent. Stay with us, guys. We'll show you how to do that now. Please subscribe. We have many videos on that vehicle on our channel. You can check it out. And let's grow that channel together. Okay, first, guys, there is one screw that we will need to remove right there with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, check it out. Let me turn the light on so you can see a little bit better. And after that, we will need to pry a little bit towards the front in the middle, right here. Pry in and then pry it out. You need to pull the door handle and pull the piece out, just like that. Okay, next we need to remove that trim because there is hidden bolts screws underneath it. So if you start on the bottom, okay, pry it like that. It will come loose. Okay, you can see it's really tight, guys, so don't pull on the plastic, try to pry the clips. Okay, you pull towards the back at the very end. Now underneath right here we have two screws with a 10mm socket that we will need to remove. Okay, one is there and one is towards the front. Okay, this one is loose. Now we have that one there. Okay, now on the bottom right there is a place where you can place a screwdriver. Okay, and pry the initial pry that will release a few clips. That way you can start prying the door panel. Okay, once you do that, you can get your fingers underneath and start pulling. Once we remove it, guys, we'll show you exactly where all the clips are. Okay, this one there as well. Now I think we'll need to remove that cap. Just with a prying tool. Okay, you can pull it out like that. And now there is, I think, 2 or 3 clips here. Okay, like that. So let us explain where the clips are. Towards the front, okay, that's the top part. And then you go down, okay, like that. Perfect. So that's how you guys remove and replace rear door panel on Chevy Equinox. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to help us grow that channel. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.